Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm going to show you today, if you do this after each mowing to your mower, it'll prolong the life of the mower deck and also keep your mower looking newer and just a lot cleaner. I have 2 acres on my property and I just finished mowing. I do this after every mowing. I basically just take a garden hose and I hose down the whole mower. There's a lot of grass, cut grass and mud that just gets stuck on. And what you want to do is just clean this thoroughly, hose it down really well. Get the tires, make sure you get on top of the mower deck, around the outside of the tires, and make sure you get the spreads of the tires. If you put this in your garage without cleaning it, number one, the cut grass and the mud is going to degrade the mower deck, and if you park it in your garage, it's going to start stinking up your garage from the cut grass. Also, get the inner side of the wheel and then move on to the other tire on the other side. Now you can see on this side of the mower deck just how much grass and mud there is on this. So after I do this side, I'll go back and do the other side again and then come back to this side one more time. You can rinse down everything on this seat. Now that I have the whole mower hosed down, I'm going to just use a bucket of car wash soap. Now I'm going to wipe down the entire mower with the car wash soap. Now I only wash down the mower once, maybe twice a month at most, with the car wash soap. Normally I just hose it down when I'm done, and then I do with the car soap once a month. Now with the car soap, you even want to get the mower deck. Get the cup holder and all around the seat. And I get the seat as well. Now the mower is all washed down. Just going to take the hose, spray it down well, and then you can just use a microfiber towel and just dry it off. So thanks for watching, and if you want, you can leave a comment down below how you maintain your mower as far as cleaning it and keeping it clean, or if you don't at all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.